PERT cram. English grammar conventions. Future perfect verb tense, past participle. 8th grade skill level, question 8. Me medicine, antidote your ignorance. Show some love and throw some bands on my Cash App. Cash App, hashtag, $, me medicine. Keep me fueled. I can continuously provide you with these builds. Keep you in the know and up your knowledge game. Be sure to subscribe. English Foundation, verb tense, question 8. Complete the sentence with the future perfect form of the verb. By the end of the night, Dina blanked her visa application to the immigration office. The task here is to shift the tense of submit to its future perfect verb form. The perfect tense describes completed actions. Another way of saying this is the perfect tense usually tells about something that has, had, or will have happened. To form the perfect tense, use a form of the helping verb to have with the past participle of the main verb. The past participle of a verb is usually the same as its past tense form. Its simple past tense form, that is. But sometimes the verb is irregular. The future perfect tense tells about something that will have happened by a certain point in the future. I know this concept may seem a bit hard to grasp right now, but we'll get into an example in a moment for more clarity. It uses the future tense form of the helping verb to have, which is going to be will have. Check out this example of the future perfect tense. The race will have started by noon tomorrow. Here we've used the future tense form of the verb to have, and we've paired it with the past participle of the main verb start, which is started, to create the future perfect tense. Note that the main verb start is regular, so its past participle is the same as its simple past tense verb form. This verb form is correct. All right, back to the original question, now for the solution. Again, the future perfect tense tells about something that will have happened by a certain point in time in the future. It uses the future tense form of the helping verb to have, which in this case is will have, regardless of whether or not the subject of the verb is singular or plural, and it's combined with the past participle of the main verb. So, according to this rule, will have submitted is the future perfect tense of the verb submit. The main verb submit is regular. Therefore, its past participle verb form is the same as its simple past tense verb form. Obviously, that verb form is submitted. Okay, so moving along, we have preceded submitted with the future tense form of the helping verb to have. Again, that's will have. This future tense verb form is definitely correct.